Front originally was not supposed to come down this far south. We're in North Florida, and this, whatever it is, it's just a line going all the way from Canada down to here, and then it skips Central Florida, and then it's down in Miami area. This is some creepy weather. The birds are like, I'm out of here. Oh, now here comes the rain and the wind. These clouds are moving really fast. And we're under a tornado watch. Wonderful. Wow, look at those clouds go. Anyway, that's how my Sunday has started. And all the chickens and stuff are out, but hopefully they're okay. I hate putting them back in the coop. And here comes the wind. Can you see the leaves blowing around? Yep. Wow. Did I miss the tornado warning? Those aren't birds. Those are leaves and little branches. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the flip side of this.